All right, folks, in this video, we're going to be talking about graphing quadratics written in vertex form. In my opinion, this is the easiest format to graph parabolas from because it gives you the two key pieces of information you need, and that is the vertex and the a value. Okay? So the general format for vertex form is going to be y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. Now the number inside the parentheses with the x and the number outside, those are going to help tell you the vertex values. So your vertex is just going to be h comma k. The reason why I think this is the easiest way to graph from is anytime we graph parabolas, we need to know the vertex. This is the only format where you don't have to do any math to find the vertex whatsoever. All you have to do is look at it and steal these two numbers. The one thing I will say, however, is a lot of people will get the h value wrong. It's always going to be the opposite of what you'd think. So if it's a minus in the formula, you're going to have a positive h value here. If this was x plus some value, then you'd have a negative h, because a plus could be thought of as minus a negative number. So something to be wary of. And the a value is going to behave just like it normally has, and that's going to tell us, are we using the 1, 3, 5 pattern? Did it get stretched? Is it a 2, 6, 10? Maybe it's a 3, 9, 15. Who knows? All right, here we go. Number 1. First and foremost, my vertex, just by looking at this, I've got 4 comma negative 3. Remember, the number inside parentheses is always going to be the opposite of what you would intuitively think. So x minus 4 yields a positive 4. My a value out front is 1, so I'm going to use a 1, 3, 5 pattern. Well, I've got everything I need right now, right? 4 comma negative 3 is my vertex. And I'll use the up 1 over 1, up 3 over 1 pattern. There we go. There's my parabola. That quick, that easy. Look at that. What a dream. Next one, number 2. 2 times the quantity, x minus 3 squared plus 2. Well, I can just look at this and get my vertex. So my vertex is going to be positive 3 comma 2. Remember, this value for x is always going to be the opposite of what you'd intuitively think. And my a value is telling me that I need to use a 2, 6, 10 pattern. Once I have my vertex plotted, I'll go up 2 over 1, up 6 over 1, up 10 over 1. But I'll probably run out of graph. All right, vertex is at 3 comma 2. So I put a dot there. From here, I'll go up 2 over 1 in each direction. From there, I'll go up 6 over 1 in each direction. And as predicted, I ran out of graph. Once you've got your points, connect them with a dot. Yay. You'll notice also with these, you don't really need to have the axis of symmetry drawn. If you want to draw it in, you can to kind of help you along the way, but it's not as needed. All right, number 3. Negative x minus 4 quantity squared plus 3. My vertex will be 4 comma 3. My a value is a negative 1, so it's going to open downward following a 1, 3, 5 pattern. So we plot our vertex at 4 comma 3. From there, down 1 over 1, down 3 over 1. I can mirror those points over to the other side. Once I've got my points, connect the dots, shazam, parabola has been graphed. All right, last one. Negative 2 times the quantity x plus 4 squared plus 4. So I'm seeing a vertex of negative 4 comma 4. Didn't have to do any math, just got to look at it and get that. And then we're going to have a downward opening parabola following a 2, 6, 10 pattern. So vertex negative 4 comma 4. From here, down 2 over 1, down 6 over 1, down 10 over 1, I'm out of graph. Ran out of graph. But I can mirror those points to the other side. And we're good. All right, that's it. That's all you have to do for graphing in Vertex form. Like I said, in my opinion, it is the easiest format to graph from. Feel free to disagree if you'd like. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, folks, good luck, have fun, be safe, roll tide.